A and B, P and Q. Determine the number of equations you must have. If I give any question in word problem, let me come make it. If I give any question in form of word problem, and you are seeing two unknown values, maybe A and B, maybe age of a particular man and the number of years he has spent in a particular place. So now you know that those are two unknown. That means you must have two equations. It is called simultaneous equation. And you have three unknown, x and y, the x, y, and z, a, b, and c. You must have three equations. So that's what we call simultaneous equation. And you're having only one variable, you must have only one equation. So now this question now, we have x and y unknown. Let me come for your emphasis. The number of unknown you have in a particular question, either a word problem or any type of question given to you, you must have two equations, two unknown, two equations, three unknown, three equations, four unknown, four equations. But in UCMA question, so the one we did was just only two variables, which is two equations. Now you have 3x plus 2y plus equals to 12. That's equation 1. 2x plus 3y equals to 13. Equation 2. Now look at the general way of solving it. We have a particular variable that have higher coefficients. Here we have higher coefficient than this one. So if you divide these 3 by 2, you have 3 over 2. So now you're able to multiply everything here. In this equation that have the lower coefficient, you're able to multiply by the factors. You have divide the higher coefficient by the lower coefficients. That's 3 over 2. So now multiply 2 in equation 2 by 3 over 2, so that I have 3x here. So now when you say that 3 over 2 times 2x, you have 2 cancel 2. You have 3x. You have 3x. So you have 3x. Now here you have the same 3 over 2 times 3y. You have 3 times 3, that's 9. That's 9y over 2 equals to now 13 times 3 over 2. So you have you have 69 over 2. Am I right? So now this new equation now form now. You compare it with the one that have the same coefficient of x. 3x here, 3x here. So now, for you to eliminate this x, you have to subtract y because you have the same sign. If you have the same sign, you subtract. If you have different sign you had, either you have minus 3x and minus 3x, you subtract so that you can cancel it. Then you come again. If you have the same sign of coefficients in the two equations, you have to subtract. But if you have different sign, you have to subtract. So 3x minus 3, we have cancelled. Then all the coefficients, put it in brackets. You can see that now you have to look at the one that have the higher coefficients. 9 over 2 and 2. If you turn this one to a mixed fraction, you're able to obtain what? 2 in 9, that's 4.5. So now this one have higher coefficients than this one. That we have to calculate what? 4.5 minus 1 minus 2 in brackets y. Now look at this one higher. 2 goes in 69. So this one give us higher value than this. Now let's calculate 69 over 2. We have 2 here 1, 2 here was 3, 2 in 9, that is 4. That is 24 and password. Learn how to solve the fraction in fast method. Now look at it now. You have when you have 4.5 minus 2, look at something now. 4 objects and a half. To take 2 out of 4, you have 2.5. You have 2.5. Y equals to what? Equals to 34.5. So what we do? That is 34.5 divided by what? 2.5. Are we together? Are we together? Are we together?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now let me come again. You have to be very fast about fraction instead of using your common method. By saying that 2 times 4, 8 plus 1, that one is missing time. So just say that we'll take 2 out of 4. So now I'm still coming to some other aspects. When you are going to have what 2 means fraction, maybe 4.5 minus 2 and 2 whole number 1/3. So how to go about that? So we are still coming to that. Now, y equals to 34. Okay, let's only want to means fraction now. Double of 34 is what? Is 68 plus 1. That's what? That is 69/2. This one equals was 5/2. That should be 2/5. Because 2 times 2, that's 4. 4 plus 1, that's 5. 5/. So now we have to turn this one to reciprocal. Make the inverse of it. Now we have was 2 cancel 2. So calculate what you get. If I continue, any question? Okay, let's look at something here. We have 69/2, right? We have not subtracted this from the other one. Sorry. Look at something here. What we did in this case, we have to build the other side of the equation. This one minus this, we have nothing, cancelled. This minus this, give us what? All this one, this factor. Now this one, I've not been solved out. We have what? 69/2 minus 12. Okay. Now, I turn this out to us to 34.5 minus 12. So now, I've solved this one as well as 4.5 minus 2. Give me what? 2.5y. Because now look at something here. The same thing I did here. Let's do it here. 34.5 minus 12. Take out 12 out of 34. What do you have? Somebody should answer me. Hello. Take out 12 out of 34. What do you have? Are we together? Oh. Remove 12 from 34. What do you have? Somebody there. Please, I need your response.
Yes, sir, but I don't understand.
Now, 4.5. So you have cancelled 3x minus 3x. Cancel, right? After you said, let me come again. 3 divided by 2, you have 3/2. Make it fraction form. Now multiply those ones that have lower coefficients. We are trying to eliminate x first, and then the one that have the highest coefficients is 3, this first equation. At the back. And the one that have the lowest coefficients is second equation. Now, once we eliminate s, now we are going to divide the higher coefficient by the lower coefficients, which is what. When you divide 3 by 2, you have 3/2. In form of fraction. Now, those ones that now have the lower coefficients, so multiply 2 by that supply we were in. So multiply the equation that have the lower coefficient by what you get 3/2. Now notice that these 2 here times 3/2, you have what? You have 3x. You have 3x. Now the same thing happened here. The same 3/2 you obtain after when you divide 3/2. Now that's 3/2 times what? That's 3y. That was 3 times 3, that is 9. All together now. So now the same thing happened here. Yes, now. Every 5,000 times what? Times 13. You have 13 times 3, that's what? That's 69/2. So now after that, notice that you have obtained 3x now. You have obtained 3x. So that means that first equation that was value of 3 is the same in 3x term. It was minus it
Ìjọba
from
pé
what?
ó ṣàánú
Don't
yẹn, ó
forget that
ṣàánú
when
ọmọ
you have
máa
the
bàjẹ́,
same
wọn máa kò sí ìjọba
sign,
tó bá
positive
jí
and
pé
positive,
tóun fẹ́
you're
táwọn
minus.
àwọn ẹ̀ máa sọ́fà.
When you have different sign, maybe positive and
Ìwà
negative,
jẹ́ pé
what
gbogbo wọn kó sọ̀rọ̀
subtract
àdìwá
it.
tó le.
Is that taken now? Okay, so now 3x minus 3x, we say that's what? Minus 1 from 2, or 2 from 1, rather. So say that's what? 3x minus 3x, you have what? Cancelled. That's what new as is. Now, this one is higher than
Ọdún
this.
ní wọn wà ó.
You have what? 9 over 2 minus 2. So 9 over 2 equals what? 4.5. Minus 2. Now, 4.5 minus 2, that's what? That's 2.5. That was very simple. Now, the other side, 69 over 2 minus 12 here. What you have here minus what you have here. What you have here minus what you have here. What you have here minus what you have here. That's what. Now, I got this one to what? We need this fraction. 2 in 3 in 6. That's 3. 2 in 9. 4.5. Then minus 12. So